My name is Jesseline, and this video is over coordinate points and how to use a coordinate plane. So we have a coordinate plane here. Let's just go over some vocabulary. If you notice this coordinate plane, it's split up into four different what we call quadrants. And these quadrants have a number. So this quadrant is 1, this quadrant is 2, this quadrant is 3, and then this quadrant is 4. Okay, so those are the different types of quadrants that you will encounter. So it goes counterclockwise with the first one here at the top right corner, and then you go counterclockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if it says what coordinate is 2, 1 in, or what quadrant is 2, 1 in, then you know, you would graph 2, 1, and then you would know which quadrant it was in. The origin. The origin is the very center of the coordinate grid. It's also what we call the starting point. So this is the origin, and it's at the point 0, 0, and it's our starting point. So at the point 0, 0, and our starting point. Then we have the x-axis. So this axis is the x-axis, and then this axis is the y-axis. So we have the x-axis, which is horizontal, and the y-axis, which is vertical. And then finally, you have a coordinate point. The coordinate point, I'm going to list it down here. So if I have a coordinate point of 1, 2, it's kind of like an address of where it goes on this grid, on this coordinate plane. So our first point is the x value, and our second point is the y value. Our first point tells us which direction we go, left or right. And then our second point tells us which direction we go, up or down. So in this case, 1, 2, since 1's positive, that means 1 right and 2 up, because 2's positive as well, so it'd go up. So from the origin, you go 1 right and 2 up, and then you graph it there. So this is the point. This is the point 1, 2. Sorry, I almost wrote 2, 1. This is point 1, 2. So 1 right and 2 up. Okay? So let's talk about this some more. Let me do that and draw another coordinate plane here. And we are going to graph some more points. So first of all, I want to graph the point 8, negative 7, and I'm going to call that A. B will be negative 4, negative 5. C will be 0, negative 9. And D is 4, 0. So we're going to graph all these points. And again, we want to start at our starting point, which is the origin. So the origin here, right here, in the middle where the x and y axis meet. So A, 8, negative 7, tells us that we go to the right 8, because this is, the first one tells us left or right, the right 8, and then the second one tells us up or down. And since it's a negative 7, we go down 7. So we're going to go to the right 8 from our origin, so count over 8 spots, or 8 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right here is our point A. Okay, the next one, B, negative 4, negative 5. Means we go 4 left, because it's a negative, and down 5, since it's a negative. So start at my starting point, my origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's B. C is 0, negative 9. So 0 means that we don't move left or right at all. And then negative 9 means that we go down 9. So 0, we don't move left or right at all. And then negative 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's C. And then D is 4, 0. Means we move 4 to the right. And then 0 means we don't move up or down at all. So 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that would be D. And that is how you graph coordinate points. Thank you for watching.